In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable NSFW on Janitor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on responsibly and securely. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Janitor AI. Look for the official site in the results and click through to open it. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly points to the official domain. This helps you avoid imposter pages and ensures your settings will be saved correctly. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to your account. You'll know you're signed in if you can see your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. Click that profile icon to open the account menu, then choose Settings. Depending on your device, this may be labeled Profile Settings, but it will be in the same general place under your account menu. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the option for NSFW content. On some devices, especially phones and tablets, you may see it listed as Enable NSFW on Mobile. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and turning this on allows adult or sensitive content to appear in chats where it's supported. If you'd prefer to keep your experience strictly safe for work, leave this off. Otherwise, continue. Next, click or tap the toggle switch to turn it on. When the toggle activates, the site will prompt you to confirm your age. Carefully read the prompt, then select your age category. Choose the 18+ option if and only if you are at least 18 years old. This step exists to comply with platform rules and local laws, and to help you make an informed choice about what you'll see. After selecting 18+, click Confirm to save your choice. You may notice the toggle remains on, and you might see a brief confirmation message. That means you're all set. If the option doesn't appear immediately, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account and that you're viewing the full settings or profile settings page. Sometimes the layout differs slightly between desktop and mobile, so scroll carefully to find the NSFW section. That's it. Enable NSFW, select your age, confirm, and you're done. Remember to use this feature responsibly. Follow the platform's community guidelines and be mindful of where and when you access NSFW content. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your settings just the way you want them.